Realme Cobble Bluetooth speaker. The Realme Cobble Bluetooth speaker offers a 5 watts dynamic driver along with a passive bass radiator. Realme has equipped the Cobble speaker with 3 equalizer presets: bass, bright, and dynamic. It also features a low latency, 88 milliseconds, mode, which should be helpful during gaming sessions and video playback. The speaker uses a Bluetooth 5.0 chip that supports up to 10 meters range. Talking about Bluetooth codes, the Cobble support SBC and AAC codes. Under the hood, the Realme Cobble speaker comes packed with a 1,500 mAh battery that provides up to 9 hours of music playback, as per the company's claims. The Bluetooth speaker charges over a USB Type-C port and it takes around 2.5 hours for a full charge. It features an IPX5 rating that makes it water splash resistant. Users also have an option to pair a couple of Cobble speakers for a stereo sound output. It weighs 200 grams. The Realme Cobble Bluetooth speaker price in India is 1,799 rupees. It comes in electric blue and metal black color variants. It will go on sale starting September 15, 2021, via Flipkart and Realme.com. As an introductory offer, the company is offering a 300 rupees discount, bringing the speaker's price down to 1,499 rupees during the first sale. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.